Welcome to my new video. In this tutorial I will show you step by step how to create a new Oracle Apex application and how to create the tables and also how to display the data of the tables in Oracle application. So for more details and the code which is used in this video, check out the link in the video description to my blogspot. So let's get started. First of all, we have to log in our workspace. For this I will enter here app. So this is my Oracle Apex workspace. It's hosted on my own server. Yeah, my workspace name is Apex Node, username is my name and my password. Then I click here on the sign in button and now I am logged. If I click here on the app builder, I can see here there is currently no application. We will create later an application because first of all we will create some tables. For this there are two options. We can go here to the object browser and then we can create from here one new table. Also step by step we can define here the table name and after that we can define here multiple column. The other way is that if I open here the SQL command, I can paste directly here the code for the table creating. So I have prepared all the codes. You can easily copy this from the blog. With this command we are creating one table which name is DEPT and these are the different columns. So I press on the Control Enter button and here I can see the table is created. I also copy the code and paste it here for the second table. This is the EMP table and here are the different columns. And furthermore, as you can see, we have here the primary key. This was also here for the first table. I can show you. Here is our first table and the first column is the primary key. So for the second table, the first column is also the primary key and we have here one foreign key which is connected to the first table. Later I will explain you in the detail in the next some videos. So we press here also Control Enter and can see that the table is created. To check, we can go back to the object browser, refresh the page and can see here on the table that we have now two different tables. Both tables are created but currently they are empty. Our target is now to fill data here. Also for this, the SQL statement is here ready. I only copy this and will paste it. I go back here to the SQL command and paste here all the insert statement. The first insert statement are for the first table and the second insert statement are for the second. Normally I can mark this and press Control Enter, then one row is inserted and the same for the second and here for the third and here for the last. So currently 4 new rows are created in the department table and now we can also make this for the employee table. Or I can write here begin and at the end I can write end, and now I can mark all of them and press Control Enter and see one row inserted, but in the background it's all of the rows are inserted. We can go now here to the object browser, refresh the page and check and see that we have now data here in the department table and we have also data here in the employee table. So our next target is to create a new application and show all these data directly in the app. For this we have to go back to the first tab, also here application app builder, and click here on the create button. Now we can define here the name. For example, I will write here Apex Node. This is the name for the application. Then I can create application. Now as you can see here, the application is created. Currently there is nothing. We have only global page, start page and login page. Now we want to create a new page. For this we have to click here on the create page button. As you can see here are already different options. For example, if we want a classic report, if we want a card or charts. So here are a lot of different types of the region or of the page, but today we will only create a blank page. We will set here the number, for example the 10, and then we write here employee and department EMP DEPT data. This is a normal page. We can have the breadcrumb. We also take the navigation. I will set here another icon, for example this icon, and then I can say here create page. So the first page is created. On this page here on the left side, I can create here now a new region and can say the type is the classic report and set the type as SQL query. And now you can copy again the code and paste it here to show the employee. The employee and the department. This is the SQL statement. With this SQL statement, we will see which employee belongs to which department. So we check this is SQL statement is okay. Then we click here OK and can save this and run the page. Now we have to log in to the application. And now we can see here our inserted data are displaying here on the Oracle Apex page. Here are the name of the employee, here is the department name, and here are the another details. So what we also can do is create another region. First I will define here a better title, for example which employee is in which department. So, and I will also create another region, and we can write here how many employees are in which each department. Okay, for this we also set the type as classic report and the type is SQL query, and can paste here the second SQL statement. Now it's also valid. Then we can also set here a little bit, start new row. I disable this, save and run the page. Okay, now as you can see here on the left side, here we have all the employee in which department they are, and on the right side we have only the department name and how many employees are in this department. So in this video you see how to create a new Oracle Apex application, how to create two different tables, employee table and the department table, and also how to create these different regions including the data. In the next video I will show you how we can manipulate this data, how we can create, how can we update or how can we delete. That's all for this video. I hope it was helpful and you are now able to do this. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.